Hey everyone, and welcome back to One Agile Production. My name is Ash Khan, and in today's video we'll explore how to re-energize our retrospectives with a fun movie genre theme. Now this theme consists of 4 parts: lights, camera, action, cut. And if you haven't seen my previous video where I talk about incorporating gamification into our retrospectives using the snakes and ladders, then please do check it out. Now let's dive right in. As I mentioned, this theme has 4 parts. First up is the lights, where we have the icebreaker. Which movie genre best describes your personality? Allow team members around about 5 minutes for this activity, where they're able to put their post-it notes against each one against these categories here that best describes their personality. Next is camera. Here we'll ask team members to add sticky notes to each genre on the board, sharing their thoughts and experiences. To keep everyone focused and encourage participation, I recommend time boxing 5 minutes for each of the genres. Then it's time for action. With all the sticky notes in place, we'll now go through and discuss each genre's feedback, fostering open communication and collaboration. Finally, we have cut. This is the moment to identify key takeaways and the action items from the retrospective, addressing any areas for improvement that have been highlighted. And that's a wrap up on our movie theme retrospective. This engaging approach can help re-energize your team and make retrospectives more enjoyable, fun and productive. You can find the link to the Miro Board in the description below. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe.